First of all, go to this Parrot security page. So click on downloads. So just choose the live one, and now depend on your choice. I'll choose the home version. You can choose security if you like. So just download it. Let's download from downloads. Okay. Okay, the speed is very slow, so I will download it from torrent. Yeah. So the downloading is completed. So just I'll open this workstation. I'll choose the typical install. Just use Parrot OS use Debian, the latest 64-bit Debian. Don't use any other distros. So yeah, hit on next. Single SSD. So yeah, our machine is ready. We just have to put the ISO file and I'll just update some CPU cores and RAM to 4 GB, and then just choose the ISO file. Now just power on the machine. It will not take that much long time as Kali Linux. So it will boot up by itself. So you don't have to do anything, just to watch. So as you can see, it's starting booting up. And there you have your Parrot OS, which is running on a virtual machine. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.